Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can change your username on Slack. Maybe you wanted to change your username on Slack but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can change your username on Slack. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. And then from here, you'll see this U icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you'll see the preferences. Tap on these preferences and then you have to scroll down. And then you'll see in here the account settings. Tap on these account settings. And then you'll be directed into this page. So to change your username, simply scroll down and then you'll see in here the username. Tap on this expand button and then in here simply edit your username. After that, simply tap on the save button. As you can see, your username has been updated. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can change your username on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can change your username on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.